Hello traders, today I'm going to show you how Adani Enterprises showed you on Sigma line a good rally and a crash before any news. Okay, therefore we say news and views are of no use. We will do a very short analysis right now. Okay, here you can see currently I am on 1 day on top chart and 5 days on bottom chart. Okay, so here it is green here. Okay, on tide, I have plotted the tide sigma line on 5 days. Okay, and on 1 day, I have again plotted a tide sigma line. Okay, so here sigma line gave you a entry point. Okay, you have entered stock here, so you can mark this point. This date is 21 August. How it rallied. See, is rallying. Okay, see. So here is the exit. Okay, at this date, you would have exited the stock. So how much point you gained from here till here? Let's check that out. From here, this close. Okay, this line would be on here. Okay, and what is the close? This is the close. It is 20 December, right? So it rallied by 1282 points, which is 400%. And you have exited your trade here. Then went to trade again. Then again you would have maybe entered above this. You would have not entered here, okay, on this bar. Why? Because there is a resistance here. Okay, I have marked, so you would have entered here. This line should be transferred here. Okay, and it is again green on this lower time frame, on this higher time frame, right? So again move your cursor here, your resistance cursor here, and you would have exited here. Okay, so this would have been a lost trade. Okay, here, correct. Again move this part here, because this resistance broke where this resistance got broken here, right? Because this rate is 1908, right? 1908.50, and on this date, this closing, this date closing is 190970, right? So you would have again entered here after this resistance and exited here on this red bar, correct? So you have again gained 10%. Okay, I am on daily chart. Okay, we remove these lines. We have started on 25th August 2020. So currently, now this is your resistance, right? Now just wait for the again entry. So here is the entry point. On this date, it is an entry point, right? So again, it rallied, and this is your exit, correct? And this much point you gained again, 28%. These lines. And after this point, you rallied again. It rallied again, a bit only. Let's check. This was the entry point and where it got exited. Now the interesting thing, here is the interesting thing. Okay, I will show you how that is interesting. See, on this date, it showed you the exit, right? Correct. And this was your revised resistance here, correct? Now here, this date is 19th Jan 2023, right? This is 19th Jan. You exited your trade here finally. the small loss, correct? And the small loss of 12%. And the stock crashed like anything. See, it crashed like anything. Now I will show you the date of news. This was 19th, right? You exited the trade. And the date of news I have already put in the browser. Adani scam 2023. The first major news regarding the Adani scam in 2023 emerged on Jan 24. On Jan 24. And we exited on 19th Jan 2023. Correct? On 5 days before the crash. So this is the power of Sigma line trading. Until that, there is no buy signal yet because bottom chart is red. So you would have not entered here. This is the power of trading on Sigma line. This is how easy it is to use Sigma line.
Trade safe, trade smart, trade with Sigma line charts. Have a good day, traders.